Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Kinkade. And in this video, I would like to show you a post review of my completed kit from DOTZ, Deer Creek Chapel. This diamond painting kit was purchased from online website Mary Maxim for around $35, and I purchased it around 6 months ago. Actually, when I saw this diamond painting from the very first time, I fell in love with it, and I was waiting very patiently when it went on sale, because the original price was around $50. So this is a full round drill diamond painting kit from Diamond Dots, Thomas Kinkade's series, Deer Creek Chapel. The size is 16 by 20 inches, and this kit contains 33 colors. This kit came only with one AB diamond, white one. Although I did replace one color in the area of the windows, I replaced the yellow color with yellow crystals. This kit came with resin drills only, and again the only AB color was white. Although I did one more modification to this kit. If you know Thomas Kinkade's designs, most likely you remember the original artwork, and why it is called Deer Creek Chapel, because over here there was supposed to be 3 deer. When I first saw it, I couldn't understand why there were 3 bears in Deer Creek Chapel. And then, when I saw the original artwork, I realized that these were not 3 bears, these were 3 deer. Unfortunately, the design size is too small to show deer in detailization, and they look like bears. One of my subscribers thought these were 3 flies when I was doing the unboxing. And really, these 3 beings did not look like 3 deer at all. So what I did, I blended them in with the snow. I erased them, so to say, from the rendering, and now there is the snow. They were supposed to be somewhere over here. And I actually like it way more, because these 3 deer looked like 3 spots, 3 dark spots that slightly resembled 3 bears. That's how it was supposed to look originally with these 3 deer. So I'm really very happy with my customization, and I love the final result of the diamond painting kit. It is, as always, designers charted. That is why the color blending is so amazing, and it looks very detailed and natural. The resolution is very high on this kit, and the sparkle is way more intense than what you see on on the video now on your screens. The camera does not show the real sparkle. I'm going to frame it in the near future and show you how it looks behind the glass. I will leave the link in the description box below to this kit. You can find it both on Mary Maxim website and Diamond Dots official website, but on Diamond Dots it's more expensive than on Mary Maxim. And if you're considering purchasing this kit, look how beautiful it turned out. I highly recommend to buy it because I diamond painted like in a week. Maybe it was really very easy to diamond paint it, although it did have a lot of confetti. This is all for today. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon.